Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. And since we're jumping right in today, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, definitely do that. It really helps out.
So today we're taking a deep dive into our sources on something you might not think twice about: a vegetable peeler. Specifically, the Mad Shark Ultra Sharp Vegetable Peeler.
Right, because usually, a peeler is just a throwaway item in your drawer,
Exactly. But this one sits at a very accessible $14.99, and it's rocking like a 4.4 out of 5-star rating from over 1,500 reviews.
That's a lot of feedback for a kitchen basic.
It really is. We're sifting through all these sources to figure out if it actually lives up to the hype for you, the consumer.
And honestly, what stands out right away in the reviews is just how seriously people take their prep work. A peeler is fine until you have to peel like a literal mountain of potatoes for a family dinner.
Oh, for sure. Suddenly, it's the most critical tool in the room.
Right. And if you're someone who dreads holiday cooking because your hands just cramp up, you'll immediately notice the build on this thing.
Yeah, it's not that flimsy plastic that just snaps on a tough root vegetable. It's actually cast from solid zinc alloy.
Which is super heavy duty.
Totally. And the 304 stainless steel serrated blade is a full millimeter thick. That is literally double the thickness of a standard peeler blade.
That's wild. It feels less like a kitchen utensil and more like, a heavy-duty power tool.
It does. And the logic here seems to be that a heavier solid tool actually takes the physical strain off your wrists.
Exactly. Because of that solid zinc alloy construction, it has this perfectly balanced weight in your hand.
So you don't have to force it.
Right. The underlying physics mean the peeler's doing the actual work, not your joints. Reviewers specifically noted that it makes them feel like professional prep cooks.
Add in that ergonomic non-slip grip, and, well, you start to understand why so many users with arthritic hands are raving about the comfort.
And they are absolutely raving about the performance, too.
Reading through the feedback, reviewers are saying it glides through thick lemon skins or tough butternut squash like a hot knife through butter.
With basically zero resistance.
Yeah. One user even bragged about effortlessly peeling 30 lemons for homemade limoncello without leaving a single trace of pith.
Wow.
But, I do have to push back a little on all this power. When we look at these specs, can a kitchen gadget actually be too sharp?
Well, when we dig into the critical customer feedback, the answer appears to be a pretty solid yes.
Wait, really?
Yeah. While many love that effortless glide, one user reported getting literal battle wounds from this peeler.
Oh my God.
They actually went so far as to put on heavy-duty protective gloves, and the blade still sliced right through them.
It cut entirely through protective gloves. That is intense. It really is a kitchen weapon at that point.
It is. And beyond just the sheer danger factor, there's a specific mechanical flaw users pointed out regarding how it actually cuts.
Okay, what kind of flaw?
So the Mad Shark uses a serrated cylindrical blade design. Because the blade is shaped like a cylinder rather than a flat open edge, the gap where the peel is supposed to escape is incredibly narrow.
Oh, I see where this is going.
Right. When you peel something thick, the skin curls backward, hits the back of that cylinder, and physically jams itself into the tight housing.
So right in the middle of your prep work, you're forced to stop and carefully pry jammed peels out of an aggressively sharp blade.
Which is the exact scenario where you end up with those battle wounds.
Man, that's rough.
It makes you wonder about the other features, too. Like, what about the built-in potato eye remover on the side? I always thought those little side scoops were a brilliant design addition.
In theory, they are a great addition. But practically speaking, the feedback shows this specific eye remover is pretty ineffective.
Oh, really? Why is that?
The angle and the utility of a little side spike just don't dig out blemishes well at all. Quite a few users admitted they just gave up on it entirely.
So they just revert to using a regular paring knife for that.
Okay, so you're getting this incredible power tool of a peeler that takes the strain off your hands, but it comes with a few design quirks and a major hazard warning.
Which leaves us with a final provocative thought to chew on. We started off comparing this to a power tool, and it begs the question, are we reaching a point where everyday kitchen gadgets are becoming so industrial and ultra-sharp that they require professional-level caution just to prep a simple carrot?
That is a really great point. It definitely makes you look at your kitchen drawer a little differently. You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel. where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets, one product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.